Here's how to fix your game requires a system restart. First, open the Start menu, search for Services, and launch it. Scroll down until you find the VGC service. Once you've located it, double-click the service to open its properties. Change the startup type from manual to automatic. If the service status shows stopped, click the Start button to run the service. After that, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Next, right-click the VGC service and select Restart. Wait for the service to restart completely, then close the services window. Now open the Start menu again, search for Task Manager, and launch it. From the left panel, click Startup Apps. Locate vgtray.exe and Riot Client Services.exe in the list. Make sure both of them are enabled. You can check this by looking at the status column. If either one is disabled, right-click it and select Enable. Once both startup applications are enabled, close Task Manager and restart your computer. After your PC starts back up, launch League of Legends again. The "Your game requires a restart" error should now be resolved. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.